Setting the phone app to always open to the keypad on the Galaxy S24 ensures quick and easy access for dialing numbers immediately. Here's the step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, press the home button to return to the home screen. From there, open the phone app. If the keypad isn't viewed, then tap Keypad at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the More button, or the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Open to Keypad. Now, no matter if you go to Recents or Contacts, when you close and reopen the phone app, it will always default to the keypad. If you want the app to open to your last view, select Open to Last Viewed instead. For example, if you set it to Recents and close the phone app, reopening it will bring you back to the Recents view. And that's it. After you're done, press the Home button to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.